What's up guys, I'm Han. Today I'm going to show you guys how to gain a full or gain a 360. So before you guys try this, make sure you guys are warmed up and make sure you guys do it somewhere safe, like a gym if you guys have one, with mats or sand, somewhere soft so before trying outside. So you know, you don't hurt yourself. Safety's first. So I'll show you guys one real fast and we'll get started. Alright, that's a gain in full, guys. So the first step is find an object that's not too high but not too low, you know, so that you're comfortable, guys. Like chest height, you know, wherever you're comfortable, guys. After you find the obstacle, you're gonna get on top of it. Alright, after you find the obstacle and get on top of it, the first step is practice your arm swing. So you can have your hands out. You want to look straight or you want to look at the ground. I like to look at the ground, you know. While my flips, I always look at the ground. Wherever you're comfortable, guys. So, have your arms out. Now, after that, is you're going to swing on his back. Bend your knees slightly. Swing on his back at the same time. After you practice that, swing on his back, you're going to swing him forwards. You're going to jump to, push off your heel, your ball feet. Jumping out that way, you want to jump up and out. Not too straight up, so you don't flip. Not too out, because then you won't have enough height. So after you swing on that, you swing forwards, jump up and out, push your hips then. You're going to push your hips too. Because when you push your hips, there's no way you can clip the object, guys. As long as you push your hips really hard, there's no way you can clip. Because that'll help you push forwards, you know. It's just going to feel like that, guys. It'll feel like your head is going to hit the object, but you won't hit it. Because you push your hips really hard, you know. So after you swing back, swing forwards, jump forwards, up and out, push your hips out. Then after that, then it's a wrap, guys. It's a twist. You're gonna, I wrap left. So if you wrap the other way, guys, just do everything I say except the other way. So you're gonna swing, you're gonna wrap, then you're gonna wrap over your shoulder, like you're punching over your shoulder. Then you're gonna look over your shoulder at the same time. You're gonna punch, look over that shoulder. Still, you're gonna still bring your knees up too. Together, bring your knees up together. If we're gonna try to wrap, you should spin a full 360, you know. Like I said, if you're really scared, just do it in a foam pit, you know, get the feel of it. After you wrap, you should twist, do a 360. You should twist there. Then it's the landing, guys. You should land on the ball of your feet always. Every flip you do, always down the ball of your feet. Knees slightly bent so it does not hit your legs. Not flat-footed. Down your heels, need something bent, you know. So let's just go back slowly. So you're gonna swing on his back, knees bent slightly, swing it forward, jump up and out that way. Push your hips forward at the same time, all at the same time. You're gonna swing, you know, all at the same time. Then you're gonna wrap with a twist. Look over your shoulder, wrap. Both your knees together, your legs together, boom, your knees up. You should twist. Release when you see the ground or when the feet, you know, when you feel like you went over. So that nice and sweet, guys. As I explained before. So I'll show you guys one last time. Alright, so hopefully that helped you guys out. Leave a comment. I'll see you guys next time.